What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today I'll be showing you 5 amazing Nike basketball sneakers that you can get under 5,000 pesos. So let's go! Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. 2 sneakers, an Air Jordan 1 Low and an Ultraboost 19s. I'll be posting the mechanics down below. And if you haven't watched our 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing, the link will be on top and I'll be posting the link as well of the video down below. So guys, if you have been following our channel, last weekend I went to Subic to check out the Nike factory outlet store. There I saw a lot of amazing sneakers on sale. And I picked 5 sneakers under 5,000 pesos that you can buy on the outlet. The first sneaker I'll be showing you is the Nike Air Versatile 3. The one that I'll be showing you is in a black and red colorway, which is actually nice. It's really good for everyday basketball. So if you're looking for a beater that you can use every day for playing basketball, I think this is one of the sneakers that you can use. And the price is only at 3,695 pesos. Up next, what I'm going to show you is the Jordan Ultrafly 2. This Jordan Ultrafly 2 is a mid-cut version with a very visible Jumpman logo on the side. The sole is in gray. Now I think the traction of these sneakers is very good because I saw a herringbone pattern on its sole. I like the mixture of the materials that they use on the upper. It has a foam posted vibe on it and the finish is really nice. It's definitely good for playing basketball every day, and the price is again below 5,000 pesos. The price is at 4,616.50 pesos. Up next, we have a low-cut sneakers, and it's the Kyrie Flytrap 2. They actually have several colorways of this Kyrie Flytrap, but what I'm going to show you is the black and gold colorway. These sneakers are really nice, and I think this is going to be one of my favorite from these 5 sneakers that I chose. Up next, we have the Kobe VBE in a blue or aqua blue colorway. These sneakers are actually nice, especially in performance. As you all know, all Kobe sneakers are very good in performance. And with these sneakers, you can get it at a reasonable price. Now you can see that the original price is at 8,095 pesos. However, it's buy one, take one, or sort of a 50% off. So basically, you will get one pair at a price of 4,047.50 pesos. So again, it's below 5,000 pesos. So it's a BAM for buck sneakers, very good in performance, definitely a good beater. So if you're looking for another sneakers below 5,000 pesos, this is another choice, and you can get it here at the Nike factory outlet store here in Subic. Now I saved the last for my favorite amongst all the 5 choices under 5,000 pesos, and this is the LeBron Witness 3. There's a lot of colorways of this LeBron Witness 3. However, there's 2 sneakers or 2 colorways that really caught my attention, and these are the Breads colorway and the Concords colorway. Now the reason that this 2 stands out because it gives me Jordan 11 vibes. As you can see in the video that I'll be showing you in a bit, this sneakers actually looks like a Jordan 11 low. However, apart from the patent leather on the upper, they use different kinds of materials to make its own identity. So guys, that's it. That's the 5 basketball sneakers that you can purchase for below 5,000 pesos. So I hope you like my list. These are the only basketball sneakers that I saw below 5,000 pesos on the Nike outlet store here at Subic Bay. So I hope I was able to give you an idea. If ever you're looking for a sneaker below 5,000 pesos, you know where to go. Again guys, a reminder, we have 2 giveaways, Air Jordan 1 Low and Ultraboost 19s. Please follow all the mechanics because I'll be announcing the winner on October 6th. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have Snapchat, and we have TikTok. Follow them all so that you can avail of all the giveaways. Again guys, this is Manuel, and see you again in the next video.